Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial I will show you how to invest in Coca-Cola stock on eToro step by step. First open the eToro app and log into your account. Then you will get here and next tap on the search bar and start typing the stock name you would like to buy, cola, and choose Coca-Cola from the results. Now tap the trade button to start your purchase and decide how much you want to invest. The cool thing is actually that you can buy fractional shares. You can also adjust a few settings. For example, you can set a stop loss price which tells eToro to automatically sell the stock if its value drops to that level, but it's possible to set it after the purchase as well. Now leverage is optional. Personally, I just leave it at 1x, and under the order type you can pick market to buy immediately at the current price or limit if you want to set a specific price. Finally, click on buy and that's basically it. Go to your portfolio to check your investments by tapping on the pie chart on the left. Please note that this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Always do your research before making any investment decisions. Happy trading and may the bull market be with you.